So to create this, you're gonna need 6 square sheets of paper, and they can be any size. So you're gonna need. So first, I'm gonna show you how to make the rose part. So first, you're gonna start off with the square sheet of paper, and then you're gonna fold it in half. In half like that. And then you're gonna fold the sides to the center to meet the crease in the center. You're gonna repeat with the other side. So now you have four separate parts. So right here. And so what you're gonna do is take this corner and bring it down here to meet this side right here. So let's do that. So now we have this diagonal crease right here, and we're gonna create another diagonal crease that is parallel to this diagonal crease here. So you're gonna rotate it like this and do the same thing. So now that we have these 2 diagonal creases, we're gonna fold in one of them, and we have this crease over here. So what we're gonna do is fold it like that, outward, and then fold it inward. So it's like that. And now we're gonna take this part right here, fold it inward. So that's our diagonal crease, the other one we created. We're gonna fold it inward, and there's a crease right here. We're gonna fold it outward on that crease, and we're gonna flatten down. So now we have this. And then we're just gonna flatten out and make sure all the creases are sharp. So now we're gonna flip it over to the back side. And we have these flaps over here. And so we're simply just gonna fold it over. And same on the other side, just fold it over. And now, to finish it off, we're gonna take this and we're gonna bring it downward. Like that. So we have our flap right there. So this is gonna be one flap to insert it in. And we're gonna repeat it on the other side. Take this, fold it up, right there. So now that we have the rose part done, I'm gonna be showing you how to make the leaf part. So fundamentally, it'll be the same thing as this part over here, as the rose, but the leaf will have a couple different parts. So I'm going to be showing you where that part's different and how to create that part. So now the difference is right here. We're going to take this and fold it over. Make a valley fold right there and meet the crease. Looks like that. And now what we're going to do is take this flap right here, and we're just going to fold it up. So it's a little different, but not too much of a difference. So now we're going to just rotate it right here, and we're going to take this flap and we're just going to push it in and make a valley fold on this crease over here that we have. Like that. And then we're just going to fold it down. Now that we have all of our pieces, we're gonna assemble them. So first we'll start off with the green ones. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna line this up like that and take this flap, the longer flap, and put it in like that, and then tuck it in so it looks like this. Now we're gonna take the other green one and we're gonna put it into this flap like that. And we're gonna take this last flap, bend it so that it goes in, and it'll form this corner piece right here. It's a little tricky, but it's not too hard. Now we're gonna start off with, now we're gonna make the rose part. Start off with these two pieces here. Take this flap right here, and we're just gonna place it in like that. And now we're gonna take this second one and we're just gonna place it inward here, tuck it in, and take this last corner and fold it inward like that. So it forms this corner right here like that. And the flaps are all open like this. So this gives us the 3 sides for the cube. And this gives us the other 3 sides for the cube.